I decided to do my project on Queen's University. This is a map of the campus at Queen's. It just shows like where the fields are and what everything's called and a bunch of the different halls and places where you actually attend classes. Location and weather. Located in Kingston, Ontario. The weather in Ontario gets a bit warmer in the summer and fall than it does here, and colder in the winter and spring than here. It also snows a lot more over there. My sister actually goes to Western University in Ontario, and this is just what she's kind of told me. Student population. More than 23,000 students attend Queen's University. Tuition. For domestic students, people who live in Canada, tuition is $618.31 per course, in which most people take 10 courses in 1 year, which turns out to roughly be about $6,183 for a year of courses, but this could vary depending on which program you are in. Residence availability and cost. Queen's has 17 residences housing 4,500 students. Most residences are within a 10-minute walk from classes, libraries, and dining facilities, which is very convenient. Availability for residence is mainly for first-year undergraduate students, but there are some exceptions, like being a SOPH, or there are some exceptions to graduate students as well. Costs roughly $7,145 to $15,525. This includes your meal plan. Additional costs. The estimated cost of books and supplies for an arts or science degree is $1,100. When living on residence, food is supplied in the cost of residence. Queen's estimates that students spend roughly $2,300 on miscellaneous items such as clothing, a phone, recreation, and other personal expenses. For additional food, they think about $720 is usually what students spend. Programs offered. Queen's offers many programs. The faculties include Faculty of Arts and Science, Faculty of Education, Faculty of Health Sciences, their faculty with the most departments, School of Graduate Studies, Faculty of Law, Smith School of Business, and School of Policy Studies. Smith School of Business is one of the world's premier business schools. It has earned international recognition for its outstanding faculty. Entry requirements. General academic requirements include high school diploma, 4 academic courses including English 12. Science program requirements include English 12, Pre-Calculus 12, Biology 12, Chemistry 12, or Physics 12. Calculus 12 is recommended. I am hoping to go into science, so I thought I would research that. 75% is the overall minimum admission average for all direct entry undergraduate applicants, but most likely you're better options to get in if you have a higher percentage, obviously. Student life. Queen's has many fun ways to take a break from studying, including fitness. You can organize games with your friends, train with a personal trainer in the gym, or even try out for varsity sports teams or clubs. There are also many recreation clubs you can join, including archery, climbing, martial arts, tennis, dancing, gymnastics, and more. You can also get involved in yoga, Pilates, cycle dance, or even swimming. Continued. There are also many places to go on campus and off campus to have fun. Grad Club, one of the best campus venues for live music, the Underground, the university's largest student bar, Clark Hall Pub, the only fully student-owned and operated bar in Canada. There are also theaters where you can watch plays and shows put on by the drama department. Significant or famous aspects. Queen's is best known for and takes pride in having research strength in computational science, engineering, globalization studies, mental health, clinical biomedical sciences, sustainable energy systems, and social issues such as poverty and bullying. As well, Queen's is best known for its business program with the Smith School of Business. And that's all.